back to GPT Construction, Masonry, and Design. I just wanted to walk you around this full brick pizza oven we just finished down here by McKinley Park. This is the 2G80 Forno Bravo insert. It's a perfect backyard oven. Stays hot, no cold spots, cooks like a champ. Let's walk around this beast. So we did these little, they're about 24-inch high. You know, they wanted to use them as seat walls and possibly little mini tables. We did a full brick eyelid over the opening. These railroad brick are just beautiful. Here's these tops. We just got done acid washing. So out here we added these planters off the back so she can have her little herb garden. It kind of makes the back look attractive too when she gets it planted, see? You know, there's a lot of yard back here. People will be looking at this thing and boom. So there it is. Thanks for coming by the channel. We are GPT Construction, Masonry, and Design, where everything we do is full masonry, built to last. Remember, always say no to prefab.